Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video viewers, I will share you two craft ideas. So I hope you enjoy my videos. So friends, let's start today's video. Jute bags are also very useful. You can decorate simple bag with jute, flower, bow or pattern. These bags look handmade and very stylish. For home decoration, you can make jute photo frames, cover or simple frame with jute top and add a small decoration like pearl and dry flowers. Weavers. Jute coaster are an easy craft, just to roll jute top in a circle and glue it tightly. These coasters are strong and give a natural look to your table. You can also create a jute lampshade, warp jute around a lamp. Friends, from decoration, you can make jute photo frame, cover a simple frame with jute top and add small decoration like pearl, dry flowers, jute coaster, easy craft, just roll jute top in a circle, glue it tightly. These coasters are strong and give a natural look to your table. You can also create jute lampshade, warp jute around a lamp frame and add small lights inside it. Create a warm atmosphere to make your craft more attractive. You can mix jute with lace, fabric, flower, beads or paint. This combination give a modern traditional look together. And weavers, and friends, jute crafts are not only beautiful but also friendly. They help reduce plastic tissues, plastic shoes and support a natural lifestyle. And viewers, thank you for watching. If you enjoy these jute craft ideas, please like, share and following for more easy decorative home decoration ideas. So viewers, Allah Hafiz. See you in the next video. Take care.